Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Blackbull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Blackbull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. Get either the Essential Plus or Premium plans absolutely free. All you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Blackbull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Hey, start trading Forex, indices and commodities with up to 800k of Blue Guardian's capital risk-free. Just pay a small one-time fee to take the challenge, hit a profit target and get funded. Then keep up to 90% of your profits and enjoy fast weekly payouts. Now for futures traders, Blue Guardian Futures offers up to 450k in funding with 100% profit on your first 15k. With low targets, no activation fees and unlimited resets, it's one of the best deals in the industry. Visit blueguardian.com or blueguardianfutures.com to start trading today and grab their limited time discount code.
Yo, guys, good morning. Good morning. How is everybody doing today? So, coming into the market already, I can see that we are in a downtrend, price action wise. Asia is down, London is down. When was this? This was today. Oh, we have a gap here. We got a little gap here on the smaller time frame. You don't see it on the higher time frame because here's a 30, and then on the 1 hour, it's you don't really see it anymore. So you see it on the 30, which I don't really know why I can't see it on the higher time frame. But let's mark up this little gap here. So let me delete all these levels. Don't need those anymore. It's from last week. But I would really like to stay bearish because of the trend that we're looking like we're in right now. Here is a 15-minute FVG. And then we're already rejecting from it. I'm already going to say that we're coming down here to these levels. I'm pretty sure that's where we're coming. We're going to take out this internal or external low, this external low, and this low, which was a New York low from Thursday. So this is a Thursday New York low. And normally I would wait until 9:15, but I kind of want to go ahead and take this trade, guys. I kind of want to go ahead and take it. So just because I am really liking this trade. We got an FVG. We are rejecting the FVG. We're in a downtrend. I'm looking at TP here first. TP1, TP2, TP3. So, yeah. That's what I want to do. So, we haven't had a break below New York Open yet. But, like I said, we have this 15-minute FVG here. We're already rejecting from it. We have a 30-minute doji closure. How many ticks is this? Hold on a second, because I might want to get in really quickly. Looking like a trade that I really want to get into already. It is looking like a trade that I already want to get into. Yeah. I'm going to I do 12. All right, I'm going to sell here. I'm getting in here, guys. Okay. I don't know why I can't see it on here, but let's go to my EA here. All right, I'm in here. Just give me a second. All right, so let me mark up some another external low here. All right, hold on. This is confusing me for a second. All right. So we already took out this Asia low. So we have these two lows to take out next. I'll come on the lower time frame, find some smaller lows. Okay, that's all we got for the lows. All right. All right. So let's see if we can come all the way down here to this New York low. All right. Man, this would have been a really nice entry off this FVG right here. This played out at 8:30, 8:45. Wasn't on. Wasn't on then. I'm going to place my TPs. I got one here. Honestly, if we break through that, we should have no problem coming down. So I'm going to place, what is this? 5. So let's do 2 here. It'll take us a little bit of time, but yeah, if we break this low right here, this yellow line, we should have no problem coming down. No problem. Yeah, I see what you're saying, but I still see shorts for a little bit longer. Pretty much in a downtrend for Asia, London, and New York. So typically, when I see this happen, when Asia, London, and New York have these higher lows being created, it's pretty much a higher confirmation for me that we're going to continue down a little bit lower. Remember, I am scalping. Okay, I'm scalping. So this is a scalp entry. Probably be about 15-minute scalp, maybe. Well, what's up, Pikachu? How you doing, bro? Hope you're doing all right. just to minimize my risk a little bit, I'm going to put a contract for TP here and see where we can go with the last contract. Need to do this. Let's do this. Could break above. We could, but we rejected this 15-minute FVG right here pretty heavily. We're coming down. We're pushing down. These buying candles are not that convincing. We tried to break above New York Open like we did, and then we started rejecting immediately after this 15-minute FVG. So that's telling me, and we are bearish on the 4-hour, 1 hour is bearish, 30 is bearish, 15 is bearish. All the time frames are bearish, higher time frames are bearish. So let's continue into these shorts for a little bit longer, see how that works out. Glad to see you back, Pikachu. Pikachu. Yeah, I don't trade demands, bro. That's not how I trade. Hi 2 times. Oh, I thought you were saying hi. Like I'm saying hi 2 times. But no, you're saying that guy's name is 2 times. What's up, 2 times? What are we timesing by 2? This account? Did I not like Break below New York Open here. I'm gonna go break even, just in case our 930 volume doesn't take me where it wants us to go. So now we're breaking past this level of support, if that's how you guys want to trade. Now, I still see us coming down a little bit and then we reverse. But right now, I want us to take out this London low liquidity. And then I could see a chance for some longs, but I need this low taken out first, the London lows. I need these lows taken out. And then I'll look for longs. But right now, I am short. I really want us to see us break below here first, but we might come take me out at break even. I just want to leave some in there for commission. We're trying to create another nice FEG here on the 15th. So if we can break this low and then start reversing, could see some nice longs. But it's your first time. Welcome, brother. Welcome. I trade live Monday through Wednesday on Trading Nuts Live. And then sometimes I will. Hold on. All right. Well, I just got stopped out at break even. But yeah, sometimes I will be on my Discord sending out signals if I see something for Thursday and Friday. I did not see something last week for Thursday and Friday. I mean, the market was closed on Friday anyways. I'm going to try one more time here, guys. Try one more time. Let's see here. I don't know anymore. I'll wait. I will wait. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm getting in. I'm getting in again. Oh man, I meant to get in on my, I meant to do this on my, wait a minute. I am a little confused here because my Trativate says one thing and then my trading view says another thing. That is a little confusing. Why does it say that? Oh, is that why? Oh, whoops. That is why. Whoops. Oh well. Oh, I know why that happened. I did not put stop loss on my other accounts. Just gonna do this. here. Yeah, I don't. Yeah, this copy trading on Chatovate it's a little confusing to me. It confuses me a lot sometimes. So I don't really like the copy trading on Chatovate. It's a little confusing. I don't like how we can't copy trade on TradingView through Tratovate. We have to do it on Tratovate. We have to, or else like it's just not gonna work. I don't see these lows taken out. I have to exit all of it at the same time. But yeah, this Tratovate copy trading is. If you guys could see my other screen right now, you'd see why I'm like a little focused over here versus over here. Because I fucked up my copy trading a little bit. I accidentally closed out of one account on TradingView, but not on Tratovate. So the other accounts on Tratovate, they're still going, and it's a little hard to explain right now. A little difficult to explain, but yeah, we're coming down. We're coming down. Hey, just give me a sec. A little focused on this screen a little more so I can hopefully fix my little mistake. All right, I need to stop copy trading on Chatovate until I'm in my groove for the copy trading. It's so much easier on Top Step. So much easier on Top Step. On Chatovate, you have to put in the same contracts. Well, obviously, but you have to do math to be able to put in your contracts correctly. With copy trading on Chatovate, oh, these are my stops up here. I don't know why they were all the way up here, but this is just going to be my TP1, small TP, just to grab some profits, and then final TPs all the way down here. But we'll see what happens. If you guys are taking my trades, like please correctly manage your risk. I'm not gonna manage your risk for you. Stop. Don't over risk and then sit here and blame me for your blown account within like a few seconds because you decided to over risk and you get blown out after 10 ticks. Yeah, see, I fucked up. See, this entry is all the way up here, and the other one is like way lower because I entered on TradingView and not Trativate. Oh, I'm not even trading on this one. Well, damn. Buyers are really trying. They're trying to step in here. They are really trying to step in here. Might close out of this early. Right again, Pikachu. Well, I don't trade demand zones, so I don't see what you see. I see down more than anything, honestly. I just really see down more than anything. Right now. I do see longs, but not yet. But I could be wrong. Could be wrong today. Trying to break past New York Open below. All right, well, that's as much as I want to lose. So I'm going to get out of that. So let's see if we can, let me see what account it's this to. Okay. Okay. All right. So just going to wait now. But if this was a break above New York Open, this could have been the retest of New York Open to push us up. So let's see what happens. We got 9:30 open. 9:30 open. And if not, then the shorts will definitely play out. But we got to see what happens. Because like I said, I really want shorts. The only way I want longs, honestly, is if we take out this London low, man. If we take out this London low, I would definitely take longs. But I want shorts right now. I really want shorts. He trades some nice demand level supply. But I didn't follow my rule today. So I did fuck up there. I didn't trade I traded before 9:30, 9:15, 9:30, so I did fuck up a little bit there for my rules. Traded like 15 minutes before I was actually supposed to trade, so all right. Um, hmm. All right, so if we can fully inverse this FVG, then if we inverse this FVG, then I'll take longs without having to take out this London low. But or if we're still rejecting this FVG, then I'm still looking for shorts. I'm still looking for shorts. But I need to see an inverse of this FVG here. Let me see what ES is doing. Okay. Oh, ES has pretty much inversed. Need to reverse. I mean, need to inverse. I need to inverse. I'm breaking above this little break of structure right here, but we're still rejecting. Still waiting. Whoops. What's up, Shane? Oh, I just saw you're here, bro. What is up, Shane? My guy. My guy, my guy, my guy. Shorts, guys. I want longs, but I want this level of liquidity taken out. I really do. But now we made a pretty much an equal low inside of this New York Open. We broke above New York Open, made an equal low. Okay, we closed above this level of support. Like I said, if we inverse, I'll take short, longs. Here, here. But we're not inversing. Man, it is a chop city. Doesn't know what it wants right here. See, look at these shorts. Look at these shorts. I guess we fully filled this FEG. And now we want to fucking take our shorts. Look at that. Look at that. Analysis correct, entry incorrect. Yep, see, look at that. Look at that. All right, so now we're taking out this London low. Wow, look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at that. You see that shit, Pikachu? Analysis was so correct, but the entry was just incorrect. Incorrect entry. That's why I didn't listen to my rules. I didn't wait before 9:15 9 or I waited before 9:15 9:30. I didn't oh. So this would be a really nice one-touch theory trade. Let me look at ES. Okay, ES is doing the same exact thing. So now if we've taken out this London low, all the higher time frames are pretty choppy right now. Yes, it did. It hit London low. It was perfect. My entry was just incorrect, and that's okay. That is completely okay. Because now we have a chance for some longs. Now we have a chance for some longs. But I need to see a nice FVG hold, and I need to see us hold above this London low. If we can hold above the London low, then yes, we have a liquidity sweep. If we close below the London low, we'll probably continue down a little bit lower, which I already expected to continue down a little bit lower into this New York low here. Because if you look left, it looks like we're still trying to come down in here to this FVG, this 4-hour FVG, to fill it a little bit more. This was a really huge push up, so there's a lot of liquidity still resting in here. This is really what I was looking at. This 4-hour candle, this FVG that we want to fill a little bit more, a little heavily. So that's why my TPs are here, in case we, take out these levels and then just start reversing, or we can continue lower. But yeah, if we can hold above this liquidity zone, this liquidity level of London lows, I will be looking for longs. But yeah, that was a beautiful short had I not taken it so early. All right, so we closed above here. We have a nice little confirmation of a liquidity sweep. We have a 1-minute FVG here. Pretty strong FVG, but like I don't really fuck with FVGs or 1 minute too much. Sometimes I do, but if I do, it has to be really good. It has to be really good. Let's see how big this one is. This 1 minute FVG is 37.75 points. We're closing above. So let's see what we can get now. So here's one. Measuring the FVGs to see, how big they are. About 35, 40 points is really good. No, I'm not in a short anymore. I closed out early because I saw what I wanted to lose, and I closed out. So it was a perfect tap. It was a perfect tap off the London lows. A lot of times too, like before, I've taken trades just one touch off of lows or highs, because usually, we predict a pretty strong reaction to levels of liquidity. So, ugh. But now I'm not looking for shorts anymore. The fact that we had such a strong reaction and rejection from that London low tells me there was a lot of buyers sitting here, a lot of TPs sitting here, stop losses, yada, yada, yada. A lot of buyers were resting here though. So I am looking for longs, but there's not really an FVG to work with. I think it'll be best to wait for the 4 hour closure, which is in 15 minutes. Because right now it's looking like it's starting to chop up a little bit. Pretty big wicks, especially on this 30. Really choppy right here. Really ugly. Very, very ugly. Um, but yeah. Damn, you took a nice short. Were you still in those shorts from me? Because I fucking closed out, bro. The trade played out beautifully. I just took it way too early. Way too early. Yeah. I just really need to only trade 9:15, 9:30 entries. Just watch. Because every single time I do that, I lose. Every single time I trade before 9:15, 9:30, I lose. So I need to stop doing that shit. All right, so first loss of the week. That's okay. I'm gonna use the bathroom real quick while we wait for this 4 hour to close. We still have 15 minutes before it closes. Oh, actually, if this 15 is closing below New York Open and it closes below London low on the 15, I'm gonna look for a retest off of pullback. But if not, we'll see what happens. So I got two trades waiting here to be played out: longs or a continuation of shorts if we close below London low. But this 15 is closing in 1 minute, so I guess not. I mean, not 1 minute, 1 second. Oh well, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna use the bathroom. All right, so we are pushing below. Look at these. Look at this shit. It's literally gonna play out. It's gonna play out. My shorts. Come on. Wow. Fuck with your boy. Just it's my fault. I took the trade way too early, but my analysis was super on point, man. Super on point. Oh, okay. All right. So I know I don't like the 1 minute, but this is actually a really nice doji. Oh man. Let's play some music or something. Are you trading, Pikachu? Have you traded today yet? I don't know what that emoji means. Yeah, let's get some music, bro. Asked you if you traded today yet, and you sent me that emoji. Oh, that's a nice. Okay, this is nice. I like this a lot. I like this a lot. I like this. All right, so since we are, I have a strategy for one touch theory. We already tapped into that. A one touch theory strat. This is actually really nice. Let me look at ES here. All right, so ES has closed above London lows, and so has NQ. All right, guys, so we should be looking for some longs now, okay? Let's look for longs. We should be looking for some longs. Oh, God. Oh. So ES has this nice little FEG here. If we can hold up, what's this looking like on NQ? So NQ does not have an FEG. ES does. So we might be taking a trade on ES today. I don't really trade on ES that much, but ES is looking a little bit better than NQ today to trade. We keep trying to push lower, but we keep pushing back up, rejecting this London low. So I'm gonna start looking for longs. You're tired? So when did you trade at all today, or is it not time for you to trade? Do you trade in New York, or are you're just here to watch? You caught the long from London low. Oh, you did a one touch theory. Nice, 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 nice. See, what we could do here is do this, but it'd be a little risky. It would be a little risky. The only way I do that is if this hourly closes. But see, we're chopping up a little bit here. All right, so those longs are not valid. Still trying to break below. Sellers are still in control. Let's see what this daily is looking like. Yeah, I don't see us coming any higher right now. If we're doing all this, we're waiting for something to get taken out. It is quite sketchy. Gold has pumped all day. Yeah, I honestly still feel like my levels are going to get taken out here. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. It's just liquidity. You know, like I said, Asia was creating a downtrend. London continuing the downtrend. New York continuing the downtrend. So we're going to keep going down until it's ready to stop. So I just don't see, now that we're literally closing below London low, especially on the higher time frame, we could look for some shorts off of a little pullback here. But it's just a little sketchy now because my entry isn't where I want it to be. I really wanted my entry to be up here, even up here, all of this FEG. It's to trade. Yeah. There's no FEGs that we're creating so that we can inverse to take longs. So it's like at this point, might as well just stay short off of a different strategy until we can take some longs. But the trade was correct. God damn it. Well, that didn't play out either. Hot diggity dog. Hot dog, hot dog, hot diggity dog. Alright, I'm gonna be basing it off of this 1 hour now, guys. I'm basing it off this 1 hour. I want shorts. I'm gonna try shorts one more time. Not right now, but see if I can find an entry off of either this New York Open or this London low. Okay. Let's see. 189 ticks. What's gonna be my risk that I'm okay with? I think I'm gonna risk think I'm gonna do 3 contracts, 3 cons. Three minutes. I want to pull back. Then I'm gonna grab some shorts. Shaking my head at myself because wow. Analysis was so correcto. It was so correcto. 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna get some shorts. Wow, I can't believe this. Thanks, guys. Should have taken that into consideration, this FVG. We retested it again. All right, let's see if we can get these shorts. So if we can create a nice FVG here, inverse it, that'd be great. That would be actually very phenomenal. But to do that, we'd probably have to come up first, huh? We might not even retest here because of how strong it is and just leave it for later for longs. All right, we're not getting that. I believe longs are trying to play out here. All right, so we're gonna wait for this 5-minute candle. We can get a nice FVG created because now we're creating some clean movement down. So that's what I like to see. That's what I like to see. I like to see these clean movements. So that's what we're getting right now. We're getting some clean movements down. So if we can hold up this FVG, then get an inverse. TP1. Probably do TP1 like right here. But I need this to hold up. I need this to hold up. So we got 3 minutes before this candle closes. 15 before this, or 13 before this 15-minute closes. All of my levels, though, they got hit. Well, not all of them yet. There's one more level left that needs to get hit. Yeah. I'm going to be looking for longs now. No more shorts. It didn't come retest London lows. But yeah, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. I like to see this clean movements. So then we can get a nice clean movement reversal. Yeah, it's too big for a retest. I wanted a retest, but no retest happened. So there's literally no bottom wick on this 4-hour or this 1 hour. No bottom wick whatsoever. So that can be either one of two things. that there's no type of rejection below and that we're just going to keep going, or there's no more range left for us to go. And we'll probably start looking for reversals. So one of those two things could happen. Like, there's no bottom wick on the fucking 4-hour candle. That's insane. Congrats to you, Shane. I did not like where my shorts, or not my shorts. I did not like where my stop loss had to be. Did you even have a stop loss, or did you just like, because I know some people just enter and don't really have stops. How do you, is that how you trade, Shane? But hey, at least you took the trade. You took the shorts. Let's have stops. Oh, all right, that's pretty good. How big is this FEG? Wow, 66 points. Wow. With this 1 minute. It looks like sellers are finally dying out. Finally. Thank you, bro. Thank you, my brother. I like what you're targeting, though. I should have held levels below. Yeah, it's pretty good levels below, man. I mean, especially when the market is doing this, when Asia and London look like this, with these higher lows and lower lows. Yeah, bro. That's really how I like to trade too. When I see this, it's beautiful. I fucked up on my entry, but the read was totally correct. I just fucked up on the entry. So we're just waiting here until these candles start, kind of dying out a little bit, getting smaller and smaller. I need to see this FEG inverse before I can take my longs. Now we have a 15-minute FEG here. So this 5-minute FEG would be like pretty much an early entry for the 15. Ugh. Man, come on. Yeah, bro, if this is your first time here and you're new to trading, this is like 90% of trading is waiting. It's just waiting. And then 10% is execution. Like, oh my gosh. 90% is just waiting. So looks like we're trying to come down here to take out this New York low from Thursday. This was my overall target here. If we take it out and then start rejecting, I will definitely be looking for longs to go up. But if not, we have a pretty high potential of just literally finishing the rest of this range on this candle. But this was my objective. My final TP was literally right here, and we're already almost at it. Really pissed about that, to be honest. Really, really pissed. But not too pissed, because it was my fault. I traded before the time I was supposed to trade. It's all my fault. So listen to your rules, guys. Listen to your trading rules. Abide by them. Stay disciplined to them. And you will succeed more. Today would have been a very successful day, but it was not, because I didn't listen to myself for my rules. All right. So this is nice. I really like this FEG on the 15. Like a lot. A lot. And this is ES, so ES has a nice 15. This top wick, the top of this 15 has no wick. The bottom of this 15 has no wick. We don't have any more range. I think we're about to start reversing. I think we are about to start reversing. Man, yesterday I went to this super duper cool food hall. I think these food halls are becoming so popular in the US now. But yeah, where I live, I'm in North Carolina. They have a lot of food halls. They have like 3 here now, and obviously a lot of them are a lot of Asian themed. I think that's where these food halls are coming from, to be honest. It's from we're taking the idea from Asia, but it's dope in there. It's like 1, 2, 3, maybe like 5 or more restaurants in there, and then like a little market, a little mini market that sells Asian candies, foods. There's ramen. There's little toys and knickknacks and little games and stuff. It's pretty dope, pretty fun. And yesterday was my first time going to this one food hall. I've been to the other ones, but it's my first time going to this one, and it was me, my wife, her best friend, and my wife's cousin. And three of us decided to do an experience there. It was pretty cool. You cook your own ramen at the little market. It has like a little, I guess in a way, like a little stove looking thing, but it also dispenses hot water into your bowl. So it's like you got your bowl, you put your ramen in the bowl, you put it on the little stove thing, whatever it's called, you press the button, it dispenses your hot water, and then it fills it up to a certain level, and then after that, the bottom of it, the little stove part that it's on, it starts to heat it up. And mind you, these bowls are paper, so it's pretty cool. So it's like you get the water, and then you see it start heating up and boiling, and then you got your toppings. You can add your toppings. You can add some eggs. You can add some corn, some bean sprouts, some daikon, some other shit. All this other shit. It's pretty cool experience. I felt quite Asian. I'm Chinese, so I felt pretty cool. You're in Goldsboro? Nice. I don't think that's that far from me, actually. Charlotte. I am in Charlotte. Cooking with Kayden. What's cooking ramen? Cooking ramen with Kayden. Yo, it was pretty cool, man. It was pretty cool. 4 hours away? I mean, that's still not that bad. Better than being a whole 12 hours away. Yo, these food halls are dope, though. It reminds me of a lot of anime. Reminds me of a lot of anime. Food animes. All right, come on, FEG. Let's go. Let's see it, baby. I see that you're wanting to reverse, baby. I see the reversal trying to start. It's starting. It's trying to happen, especially if we come down here first on this FEG. Came down, make a bottom. I mean, not FEG. On this 4 hour, we came down. We made a bottom wick first. There's no wick on this 4 hour FEG. So, if we don't break past here. Actually, let me see something really quickly. Okay, this is just a low. It's not an open. Okay. So if we don't break past here, but if we do, we could see a pretty strong reversal from this level right here. Right here. 17,704. Pretty strong reversal. But that's kind of far. That's kind of far. That's pretty far. I don't think we're going to go that low. So if we reverse it, it has to be here. Has to be here. Yeah, dude, you're 24 hours away? Oh, hell, brother. Hell. God, I wonder how long that is on the plane. We want to inverse or not? And if we inverse, it might be later, like 11:30 or something, and I'm going to be off by then. Damn, that was my trade for the day, guys. These shorts, that was my fucking trade for the day. Look, look. Look at that shit. All of my TPs got smacked, man. Oh. Oh, Kayden. Why didn't you follow your rules? Oh, this is a prime example of traders when they don't follow their rules. So now we're here at this London low deal. I mean, not London low, New York low DOL. Let's see if we get a nice reaction from it. I told you, Pikachu. I told you, Pikachu. Fucking beautiful trade, man. What was that? Oh, I just didn't fucking enter my trade at the time I was supposed to enter. Had I waited for 9:30, 9:15, I would have gotten it perfectly. Perfectly. With no drawdown. This was 188 points, 753 ticks. 753 fucking ticks. That trade. You said grab liquidity, 1822 for longs. You're right, bro. And then, you know what's crazy? 1822 is right above London highs. So that would have been a nice TP for me if we were to take longs. And then I could have gotten, like added entries after we break above this 222. Well, right here, which is right near this London high, but 222. But yeah, your longs are still looking great, bro. The longs are still looking fantabuloso. Man, there's a lot of food in Charlotte, bro. Sorry, I just saw your message. Yeah, there's a lot of food starting to build up in Charlotte. A lot. Where are we heading? You mean for the shorts? Pretty sure we're kind of... Looks like we're just going to continue down for the rest of the day. It looks like we're just going to continue down. Unless we can start reversing here, like right now. I need to see us reverse like right fucking now. Like right fucking now. Right fucking now. This 5 minute better fucking close above this low. Just took out Thursday's New York low. We just took that shit out. So if we can take that shit out and start reversing, and then inverse this FEG, we should see a very nice push up. Okay. This might be the time that these are the times that I use the 1 minute. Okay, that's a 40 point FEG here. 40 point FEG. All the way up here. I might take this risky setup, guys, off this 1 minute FEG. For longs. I might. If we can inverse it, I will. But if not, I can't take shorts anymore. My target has been taken out. I can't take shorts anymore. I can only look for longs now. Yes, bro. When we're going down, when we're dropping or pumping, you need to be looking left and then marking up your session lows or your session highs, okay? And then after that, you can like go to the, well, okay, mark up your session highs on the higher time frame, like a 1 hour or something, and then go to the lower time frame and try to find some external or internal highs. But for this case, it's going to be external because we are trading way below our range. I have a pretty sure it looks like a breakout right here. But yeah, look at the lower time frames and mark up your external or internal highs or lows for TPs. Those will be TPs. Yep, it's a target and a bounce point. Exactly that. That's why I can't take shorts anymore. I can't take any more shorts. So if we can close above this 5 though, like if we inverse this and then we close above here, it should be good. Should be good. Hot pot. Bro's talking about food. Are you hungry? I love me some hot pot, bro. That's kind of what it was like cooking the ramen. It was kind of like hot pot in a way. It was kind of like hot pot. It's pretty cool. What's up, Balkaran? What's up, Balkaran? I love that name. I love all these different names. Oh, guys, by the way, while we're here, if you do not have enough money to buy TradingView, you can use Apex. Buy an Apex combine, and they will literally provide TradingView for you with the combine. So it's not that you're just buying a combine; it's that you're getting TradingView for free, pretty much. Pretty much. So you're saving money both ways. Because right now we got this coupon code right here at the bottom, scrolling across, Trading Nut. You can use that when you buy a combine. Get extra money off. Also, guys, don't forget to like the video, please. Like the button. Press that thumbs up, please. Yes, I did take a trade today. And however, it was a winning trade if I just entered at the time that I was supposed to enter. But I did take a loss today. A very small loss, like $200 on each count. And it was very dumb loss because the entire trade played out. All of my TPs got fucking smacked. We're literally sitting at the last TP that I had right now. And that was 750 ticks. The entire trade. The entire trade. Yeah. The patience is fine. It's just it looked too good. It looked too good. And I didn't take time into consideration. God, my ear has been itching for a little while. Yesterday we were out at this festival. Bad allergies, coughing and shit. Don't mind me. I have pretty bad allergies, guys. Don't mind me at all. But yeah, the patience is fine, dude. I just didn't follow my rules today. I didn't follow my rules. Looks like we're trying to pump up here. All right, guys. All right, guys. All right. All right, all right, all right. If you want to take this with me, please remember, do not over risk. I'm only doing, actually, I'm going to do four. Oh, wait. I got to do it on my Chativate. Let me remember. Let me remember to do that shit on my Chativate. We pump through here. Alrighty. Let's see if it happens. Jesus. Oh, I'm not in yet. I'm not in yet. My stop loss is here at the bottom of this 1 minute FVG candle. So if we can inverse this, we don't have any reason to come back down to hit this bottom of this 1 minute FVG candle. So I'm just waiting for the inverse and then I'll enter. But gotta wait for the inverse. Gotta wait for the inverse. Pikachu, have you joined the Discord, bro? I don't remember if you're in there or not. There you go. I need to see you in there, brother. I need to see you in there. If we can just come up to take out the liquidity from this move down, I'd be very happy with that. I would be very happy with that. Oh, here's a... Oh, this is nice. This is nice. I didn't even realize there was a 5-minute FVG here. Let me look at ES really quickly. All right, yeah, ES looks great too. So if we can break above here on ES, and then we'll be inversing this FVG here. Same for NQ. Break above here. Same for NQ. We'll definitely be grabbing longs. Yep. All right, so 5-minute FVG reversal incoming. Not inversed it yet. Very close. Can't take any more shorts, man. We've just been... I can't do it. No more shorts. My shorts played out. Yeah, it's coming. It's all coming. Just gotta wait. Just gotta wait. Sometimes sitting here for so long makes me a little antsy. So sometimes I have to get up and move around. Because remember also, like, this is literally just the first 30 minutes of this 4-hour candle. So this 4-hour candle could literally be coming down, just take out this liquidity like my target was, only to push all the way back up. All the way back up. I might even take this on my, I think I'm gonna take this on my top step too. It's just, needs to inverse. It needs to inverse. Oh, whoops. Oh, it's coming, it's coming. It is coming. It's just taking forever to come. Like, come on. So the fact that the higher time frame is bearish right now, I do want to wait for a closure above this FEG. Normally, I would just wait for impulsive entry. I don't know. I might just get in. Now we're tapping into this 1 minute FEG. Let's see. All right, guys, I'm gonna get in here. All right, guys, I'm in. Whoa! Let's pump it up here. Four, 3, 2 times 4 is 8. All right, guys, about to hit TP1. Okay, around here, I'm gonna close some of my contracts. we inverse the 5, we inverse the 1, we should see a nice push up to at least PT1. And if we can break above here, like I said, we should be good to push up and grab some more liquidity above. Okay, guys. All right. We're pumping, we're pumping, we're pumping. What is this? All right, I'm gonna close some here now, guys. Fuck. Because I still don't know how to fucking do it on Cativate. I'm still doing it wrong. Okay, guys. All right, guys. So I closed some there. Take profit 1 just got smacked. What's up, Ruben? Go ahead and close out of my PA here. I'm okay with that. I'm not a break-even trade for the day. I only did 4 cons. 4 cons, guys. All right, I'm going to take one more off. Oops. I don't even know what fucking accounts it is anymore. I am not copy trading on Trativate correctly. So I got to figure out what I'm doing wrong, how to fix it. I'm going to go break even, guys. Yeah, I was thinking it could fill this 5-minute FEG too, but like now that we broke above that TP1 and we're rejecting it, we could come back down. So I just need to put some enough for commissions to be, if I get stopped out here. It's a nice little scalp. Nice little scalp. Small profits. Not the best market today. Well, it was had I had these sales, because this was my original entry or original plan, but all right, so just got stopped out of everything. Let me make sure it's all out. Yeah, it's all out. Okay, cool. So I have $21 in my PA now. Wow, look at that. Yeah, no. This market is no thank you. No thank you. Anyway, yeah, otherwise I'm done for the day. I'm done. Pretty much done for the day. So had a loss, but then had a win. Um, I'm in the green for the day. So had a very small loss, although it should have been a win. Blah. But came back to find another entry, waited, was patient for the setup, and executed. So I did not wait for this setup the first time I hit the button, and that is why my stop loss pretty much got hit. My cat just started hissing at a basket for no reason. Bro, nothing's in there. Anyway, yeah, it was a good day. That's it for the day. Um, shit, this could be another trade. But I think I'm done for the day, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and do some Wordle. Let's do some Wordle. Stay. Do some Wordle with me. Fuck that. Fuck that shit. I'm up like 800, almost 900 on my PA on Top Step. Um, 2 likes, both mine. Simon, my guy. Yes, 9:30 a.m. next time, strictly. Well, between 9:15 and 9:30, because sometimes 9:30 continues 9:15, if that makes sense. But yes, tomorrow from here on out, 9:15, 9:30. Guys, if you're on here and you seeing me say shit like, "Oh guys, I know it's before 9:15, but this looks really good. Let me take it." No, tell me like, no. We need to be accountable of each other, okay? We're friends. We're all friends here. Be accountable of each other because nobody's perfect. No trader is perfect, and traders are always going to continuously make mistakes. Nobody is perfect. So it's done. Let's hold everybody accountable for their own trades. But yeah, next time, guys, just tell me. Be like, yo, stop being a fucking dumbass and just don't trade yet, bro. Wait until your time to trade, bro. It's a dumbass move. Anyway, what are we looking for today, guys? Let's do our Wordle. Let's do some Wordle. Trade. Enter. All right, so A and E are already in the right space. We have T. So we don't have R or we have a D. Let's see. So M, no. WHA. Oh, wait, that doesn't even make sense. D. No. It would make more sense to be like a H right there, right? Right? No? No, there's no G. There's no R. There's no R. B. O. A. Boat. That's not a word. Bro, nobody's gonna help me? Nobody's gonna help me with this shit? Let me see. B. O. A. No. BHA. PHA. T. Fate. Bro, what the fuck? Okay. M. Something with the A and an E at the end. Or A in the middle, E on the end. F. H. A. I think T is right there. ATE. So let me just try. Like a weird word. Oh my god! Oh shit, okay. Shate. Is that even a word? That's not a word. S. It's not slate. Oh, skate. Skate. Oh, it's not skate either. Okay. Damn, what the fuck is it? It's not slate. It's not skate. What the? That doesn't even make sense. That's not a word. 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 What the fuck is that? Spate. What the hell does that even mean? What does that even mean? A large number of similar things or events appearing or occurring in quick succession. Spate. A sudden. What a weird word. A spate of attacks on travelers. Oh, okay. All right, guys. Well, that was fun. That was fun. Nobody helped me, but that was fun. Let's do my journaling. Don't mind this title because at this point it's just all of them. It's just all of my trades, include like PAs and challenge accounts together because they're all linked. So took a losing trade at what? I think it was like 9 a.m. that I took that stupid trade. Something like that. 9:05 a.m. M&Q. Loss. Or short. Took the entry before my time to enter trades. Took the loss. Entered because of Asia and London reading higher lows and lower lows. Expected New York to continue the expected New York Open to continue the downtrend. Trade played out 100%, but I entered to the okay. Continuation. Yeah, this is the problem. So I had the setup, but my confirmations were dumb. I didn't even enter off of an FVG or anything. It was just a continuation. See? That's my problem. I think I did it on the 15. Annual closure. It was like negative 200 or something. Something like that. And then come over here. What time did I just take this trade? Like 9:32 or something, or 10:32. It was a win for long. So we took this entry after Thursday's New York DOL got swept and graded and 5-minute FEG to inverse to longs. We've inversed a 1-minute FEG and a 5-minute FEG for longs. Took out TP1 and then hit B. I don't know how long that trade time was. A few minutes. Trim, TP hit, trailing stop loss. I didn't have TP there because I don't know what the hell I'm doing wrong with trading or Tradebate. I don't know how to set my TPs or anything for my copy trading accounts. I did not follow my rules here. Did I risk correctly? I did risk correctly. I didn't follow my rules. I didn't follow my rules. Every single time I don't follow my rules, I lose. So that's that, guys. That is that. I'll see you guys tomorrow, okay? Man, this looks like we're really trying to bottom out here and start pushing up. God damn. I'd love to stay on, but it's chopping up here. To get another trade, it would take forever. Absolutely forever. All right, guys. Well, done for the day. We'll get it again tomorrow. Tomorrow, not trading before 9:15, 9:30 a.m. Okay? Not doing that shit. I'm not fucking doing it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't hold me accountable. If you're here tomorrow, you better hold me accountable. And if I do it, which I'm pretty sure it won't, but if I do, just say all the terrible words to me, okay? Just call me a dumbass. Just tell me I'm stupid, all right? Although I know I'm not. But yeah. This looks like it's really wanting to push up. Fuck. As much as I want to stay, let me get off because my trading time is done in 2 minutes. I trade from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. and that's it. I'm done. If I don't get a trade before, that's it. After, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. All right. Anyway, guys. Remember, don't forget to like the video. Like the video. Maybe leave a little comment if you want to, if you can. Subscribe if you haven't already, which I'm pretty sure most of you are if you're on Trading Nuts. So subscribe, like the video. If you guys want to join my Discord, the link is in here below, right here. Well, it was in there below. Let me link it again. It's all free. Everything is free. Free. Besides, I got shit to do anyway. Can't be on here all day. All right. There is the Discord link. You guys have not joined already, go ahead and join if you want to. No obligations to. And if not, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Make sure you guys are staying safe. If you're still continuing to trade, use a stop loss, manage your risk correctly. All right, again, use stop loss, use protection, wear condoms. We don't need any more kids in this world. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care.
Hey folks, what a view behind me. I'm at Blackbull Markets headquarters here in Auckland, New Zealand. Speaking of views, you can get TradingView paid plans for free at Blackbull Markets, saving you up to $600 a year. Get either the Essential Plus or Premium plans absolutely free. All you need to do is trade from one lot a month at Blackbull Markets. And you can also get a 100% deposit bonus for your first deposit up to $1,000. All you need to do is click the Trading Nut link in the description below. Hey, start trading Forex indices and commodities with up to 800k of Blue Guardian's capital risk-free. Just pay a small one-time fee to take the challenge, hit a profit target and get funded. Then keep up to 90% of your profits and enjoy fast weekly payouts. Now for futures traders, Blue Guardian Futures offers up to 450k in funding with 100% profit on your first 15k. With low targets, no activation fees and unlimited resets, it's one of the best deals in the industry. Visit blueguardian.com or blueguardianfutures.com to start trading today and grab their limited time discount code.